Hello, Shipyard. I'm Captain Brown. Winters around the Hampton Roads area can be harsh or fairly mild. It changes from year to year. We never know what to expect. What we do know, summers are severe, hot, with intense high temperatures and humidity. This program will give you valuable information on how to protect yourself from the high heat we all experience both at work and at home. So please, pay attention to the following information.
With the high summer temperatures and humidity here at Norfolk Naval Shipyard, knowledge, prevention, and rehydration are key to avoiding distress from heat in the workplace. Specifics for managers and their workforce are in Norfolk Naval Shipyard's OSHI 271 chapter on heat stress. There's also information on Code 106's webpage under OSHI Heat Stress Chapter. It addresses the levels and signs of heat stress, from the mildest, heat cramps, to the most severe, heat stroke. It also gives superiors key medical and physiological traits to take into consideration for workers suffering from the heat. Code 106 is making heat stress information more accurate and available to the workforce by posting wet bulb globe temperature, or WBGT, on the monitors throughout the yard. WBGT is a real-time measurement where management can check current readings 24 hours a day. The WGBT is the only guide recommended by the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH, and the American Council of Government Industrial Hygienists, and is the only heat index recognized around the world. Typical heat index temperature readings just take into account the heat strain on a person's system from the temperature, humidity, and calculated for shady areas. The WBGT not only takes into consideration the temperature and radiant heat sources from the sun or a hot work environment, but also humidity, the evaporative cooling effect from wind speed, sun angle, and cloud cover. Along with the readings, a fluid replacement chart will be posted so workers know how much fluid to drink to stay hydrated. These charts will be posted on all temporary water fountains throughout the yard.
40-year-old male who was welding. Patient was wearing a leather coat, 90 degrees outside. The core temperature is 106 degrees with our...
How are you, sir? How you feeling?
Got ice packs on. He's been sweating usually the whole time we got. So are you able to slide over?
Yeah, just scoot over here if you can, okay?
Got an AT gauge in his AC.
Sir, do you know where you are? Can you hear me? Temp is 106.1. Then roll back, 1, 2, 3. Let's get an IV started. Let's get them on monitors. Let's check a blood sugar. Where was our IV? The access. Yeah, IV access. More ice packs here. Pumps are clear. And this recommendation is coming up for monitoring. All right, your thanks.
What is heat stress? It's when your body is unable to cool itself by sweating. Several heat-induced illnesses, such as rash, cramps, exhaustion, and stroke, can take place when the body overheats. Here are the differences between heat rash, cramps, exhaustion, and stroke, their symptoms, and how to treat them. Heat cramps develop when a person sweats profusely and drinks excessive amounts of water without replacing electrolytes found in sport drinks. The symptoms of heat rash are tiny, prickly red bumps on the skin, and the treatment is to keep cool and dry. The treatment for heat cramps are: rest in a shaded area, drink water and other fluids to replace electrolytes, and use a warm, moist towel on your skin. Heat exhaustion is caused by loss of fluids during sweating. Headaches, dizziness, weakness, moist skin, upset stomach, and vomiting are all symptoms. Treatment for heat exhaustion include rest in a shaded area, drink water and other fluids to replace electrolytes, loosen restrictive clothing, and use cool compresses. Heat stroke is the most serious. You stop sweating, your skin is dry and hot. You may have some mental confusion, loss of consciousness, seizures, and convulsions. If you feel like you have heat exhaustion or heat stroke, do not wait. Tell a coworker or your supervisor immediately for treatment. Loosen restrictive clothing. Move to a cool area. Treatment requires immediate medical help by calling the number on the screen. Cool the victim's body. Do not give anything to drink if the victim is not alert or is vomiting. If the victim vomits, turn the body to one side to keep the airways open. Once at the ER, healthcare providers will rehydrate the victim and continue cooling as needed.
Protect yourself by understanding the following checkpoints for preventing heat-related health issues. Pay attention to what your body is telling you. Work smart and stay cool. Know your environment. Drink plenty of water and fluids to replace electrolytes. Take appropriate breaks. Wear proper clothing when possible. Stay in shape. Eat wisely and understand alcohol, caffeine, and some medications may increase your chances of heat-related health issues. Refer to the heat stress card for signs, symptoms, and preventing heat stress.
Hey, Mr. Smith, how you doing today?
I'm feeling much better, thank you.
You're looking much better. Just kind of wanted to let you know you're going to be discharged today. Just wanted to, go over some things, make sure that, you're staying cool. If you're working outside, try to drink 4 to 6 glasses of cool water. Make sure you're wearing a wide-brimmed hat when you can, loose, not light-colored clothing, and energy drinks are great for, like Gatorade, are great for when you're outside and working in the sun. So try to prevent this from happening again.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Anything else we can do for you?
No, sir, thank you for your hospitality.
All right, man, we're working on your discharge paperwork, okay?